Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching cost sheet. So let us understand what is a cost sheet. It is a systematic statement made to calculate cost of product manufactured. That means a cost sheet is used by the company to compile the margin earned on a product and can form the basis for setting of prices of the product in the future. So basically it classifies and analyzes the components of the cost of a product. Classification of cost. So the cost sheet is classified into three parts, that is based on traceability, based on functions and based on behavior. So the cost which is based on traceability includes direct cost, which includes direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and indirect cost which includes overheads. Cost based on functions includes production overhead, administrative overheads, selling and distribution overheads. Cost sheet based on behavior, which includes fixed cost, variable cost and semi-variable cost. Here are advantages of cost sheet. First, elimination of waste, losses and inefficiencies. A good cost accounting system eliminates waste, losses and inefficiencies by fixing standard for everything. So a cost sheet basically eliminates those items which are not necessary for the management. Second, cost reduction. New and improved methods of production are followed under cost accounting system. It leads to cost reduction. So cost sheet also reduces the cost of production and helps the company to earn more profit. Third, price fixation. The total cost of a product is available in the costing records. It is highly useful for price fixation of a product. Thus, cost sheet helps to fix the prices of the product which are manufactured by the company. Fourth, fixation of responsibility. Responsibility centers is fixed under cost accounting system. If responsibility is fixed, it becomes difficult to evade responsibility of performance and leads to effective performance. So cost sheet fixes the responsibility by segregating the expenses and cost under different departments of cost. Fifth, helps to prepare financial accounts. The information like value of costing materials, work in progress and finished goods are necessary to prepare financial accounts. This information is supplied by the costing records and helps to prepare financial accounts without any further delay. So cost sheet helps the management to prepare financial accounts. It makes easier for the management to ascertain the profit or loss with the help of the cost sheet statement. Sixth, prevention of frauds. Introducing cost audit can prevent frauds. If so, correct and reliable data was available from the costing records, which are highly useful to the government, shareholders and the creditors. Hence, cost sheet helps to prevent frauds and error about the cost and expenses and helps the management to detect whether the cost has been actually occurred or not. Here are disadvantages of cost sheet. First, only past performances are available in the costing records, but the management is taking decisions for future. So in cost sheet, only past performances are evaluated and recorded. No future costs are estimated by the management. Second, the cost of previous year is not same in the succeeding year. Hence, cost data are not highly useful. So cost sheet at times is not useful by the management as the cost changes in the succeeding years. Third, the cost is ascertained on the basis of full utilization of capacity. If capacity is partly utilized, the cost may not be true. Thus, the cost under cost sheet are not fully utilized and hence the cost information may not be accurate. Fourth, financial character expenses are not included for cost calculation. Hence, the calculated cost is not correct always. So, financial expenses are excluded, that is, not considered in the cost sheet. Hence, the cost records may not be correct. Fifth, in cost accounting, costs are absorbed on predetermined rate. It leads to over-absorption or under-absorption of overheads. So, a cost sheet leads to over or under-absorption of overheads as the rates are predetermined. Sixth, cost accounting fails to solve the problem relating to work study, time and motion study and operation research. So it leads to many problems which leads to inefficiency in the cost of production of the company. Seventh, installation of cost accounting system requires the maintenance of many costing records. It results into heavy expenditure. Hence, cost accounting system is an expensive method of costing. It includes huge expenditure and thus it cannot be afforded by the small management. 8. Delay in receiving costing information does not result in taking quality decisions by the management. Hence, cost sheet is time consuming and it doesn't perform quality decisions.